we have more breaking news coming in. The court sends Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakravarti to NCB custody until the 9th of September. Some big news coming in. The court sends Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakravarti to NCB custody until the 9th of September. Both of them have been accused of producing, selling, consuming drugs. A lot of charges that have been slapped against them. The NCB has made multiple charges against Souvik and Samuel Miranda, and now the big news coming in: Souvik and Miranda have been sent to NCB custody for 7 days until the 9th of September. All right, it appears until the 9th of September, which is about 5 days of custody that the court has sent Souvik and Samuel Miranda. Court sends Samuel and Souvik sent to NCB custody until the 9th of September, which is about 5 days, until 5 days from now. They're going to be in NCB custody. Remember, the NCB has pulled out quite some amount of details linking both of these men, including Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakravarti, Ria's brother. Both of them have been taken into NCB custody. Now we understand that starting from today until September 9th, possibly 4 days custody, both of them will be now sent to. Mustafa Sheikh joining us for more. Mustafa, it's already been granted what the NCB wanted. They wanted 7 days custody. The court has now granted them 4 days custody. Both of them will be at the hands of the NCB for the next 4 days. Here we're looking at Ria Chakravarti's brother, Souvik Chakravarti, arrested and now in NCB's custody there. This is huge deal. Samuel Miranda, also the house manager of Sushant, arrested and into NCB custody for the next 4 days. What's going to happen during the course of the 4 days here, Mustafa, if you can take us through?
Well, see, there's now all the 4 people, Zaid, Basit, Samuel and Souvik, will be jointly produced in court on 9th of September. All of them have been granted NCB custody till 9th of September. We are showing you live visuals inside the magistrate court as the see, this is Samir Wankhede, the IRS officer of the NCB, moving out of this car out of magistrate court. He was present here for the hearing. After the hearing taking place, Samir Wankhede is leaving at this point of time from magistrate court. He'll be going to NCB where the briefing is likely.
Yeah, tell us more about what really happened with regards to the court granting NCB the custody of Souvik and Miranda. Mustafa, if you can take us through, tell us what really happened in terms of the argument.
Argument over.
Yeah.
The argument were over police custody. The lawyers for the accused were saying that police custody is not required at this point of time, as the sections which have been applied by NCB are bailable. So the main arguments which were taking place were on these grounds only, but the magistrate court, as we were saying earlier also, that the likelihood of them getting a custody is very likely, because in the same case, 2 accused earlier got custody till 9th of September, and now these 2 accused also, where the police had asked for the custody, the NCB has been granted the custody by magistrate court. So now all 4 people will be in police custody, and the NCB said that because as they are investigating the drug cartel, they need to interrogate these people in custody so that corroboration of evidences could be done, and hence it looks like the custody has been given. Now there is another bail application in the Sessions Court that will be happening at the later stage, but yes, at the magistrate court, Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda have been given NCB custody till 9th of September.
Right, Mustafa, we see that visuals coming in. They're going to be taken into NCB's custody for the next 4 days. A lot of grilling that will be carried out with regards to who Souvik Chakravarti was really selling drugs to. Was he producing it himself? There was a lot of talk that he may have been growing weed himself. He may have been producing some ganja, even supplying it to some of the Bollywood celebrities. Who was he really supplying it to, and what was the quantity he was dealing with? All that now the NCB to crack down upon. Also a lot of talk about them procuring drugs. They were buying drugs, a lot of buds, and even synthetic drugs that was mentioned as per the WhatsApp chats. There are a lot of drugs that was bought To give whom? Was it to supply to some other people? Was it at the behest of Sushant Singh Rajput that Riya was buying from through Shauvik's links? All that now will be established by the NCB, but here is a link, a drug link that is strong enough to implicate Shauvik Chakrabarti, Riya's brother, in the drug case here. Clearly, he has also admitted that he was procuring drugs at the behest of Riya Chakrabarti. Mustafa Sheikh, here are several WhatsApp chats that surfaced talking where Shauvik, Riya, Samuel Miranda have been referring to drugs time and again in those messages. So much so that it more or less looks like they were possibly dealing with it on a regular basis, not for recreational, but it was a daily routine almost that this was dealt with. And considering that Shauvik had such intense links with peddlers like Zayed and Basit, who's supposed to be a friend, Basit turned out to be... Is Basit the peddler, or is he just a mere mediator between the peddler and Shauvik? Would you know that, Mustafa?
See, the point here is that the entire case is on the digital evidence, wherein Shauvik had chats with Basit and Zaid, and on that basis, the NCB is saying that these people have accepted that they have bought drugs and also supplied drugs. They bought drugs for themselves and also they supplied some of it to Shauvik Chakrabarti, and Shauvik in turn supplied it to many Bollywood celebrities. That is the argument which the NCB is making. The entire premise of the case is on the digital evidence and what the accused have said. There is no large or commercial a seizure which has taken place in this entire case. It is only based on the statements and digital evidences. So as of now, what we know is that NCB is trying to verify a lot of facts and a lot of drug dealings which had taken place. There is a cartel, there is a lot of things. So all these things are in the allegations of NCB. What are the evidences? It's yet to come out. They have been given the custody till 9th of September, and on 9th of September, the NCB will have to come out, give a police remand, and in that they'll have to mention what they found out in the investigation.
Now, with regards to Riya Chakrabarti's summons, she's going to be issued summons at 5 p.m. today. She's possibly going to be called in for questioning tomorrow. That's also going to be entirely based on digital evidence, isn't it, Mustafa?
Yes, of course. In case of Riya Chakrabarti, as we are pointing out, that she has been at the center of this entire drug dealing because Enforcement Directorate forwarded a digital chat of WhatsApp which was deleted earlier by Riya Chakrabarti to NCB. On that, Narcotics Control Bureau had registered a case. So initially when they registered a case, the accused mentioned was Riya Chakrabarti and others. It is only after that that Zaid Vilatra, Basit and all these people were arrested in the same case. Some seizures were made and then they went out and they found out that Riya Chakrabarti may not be directly connected to Zaid and Basit, but they have a connection with Shauvik Chakrabarti, and Shauvik Chakrabarti in turn could be supplying to Riya. These are the basically links in the case which the NCB has applied till now, and Riya Chakrabarti will be questioned on all these points.
Right, here we're looking at the entire case turning into a drug link. The drug probe itself has weighed heavy, much beyond the financial irregularities suspected initially by Sushant's family, or even the murder allegation or conspiracy around Sushant's death. Now, this has taken a whole new turn of drugs, of narcotic substances. Not even prescribed medication or prescribed drugs here. This is on narcotics banned substances, contrabands as it's called. That turn has now taken this case into a whole new turn. It's given a whole new twist to this entire case, with Riya and Shauvik almost looking guilty of buying drugs to that quantity, and Shauvik there almost guilty of selling it as well. And that's what's come as a shocker, that both of them, Riya and Shauvik, have been clearly much into buying drugs, and this is what Shauvik has admitted as well in his statement, you say. What do you think is going to be the punishment, Mustafa? If you can give us a small glimpse into what's the result of an arrest like this. Eventually, if Shauvik is convicted, if Riya Chakrabarti is questioned and she's convicted of purchase and sale of drugs, of narcotics, what do you think eventually will be the punishment? And if they do not find any link to Sushant's death, then will they be let off, or will they still face punishment in the drugs case?
See, at this point of time, we don't know how the connection will be established to Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. But as far as the conviction is concerned, if it's a small quantity and they are saying that it's mostly marijuana in which they were dealing, so the maximum punishment for consuming it is 1 year. Only if they were able to prove that they were not only consuming, but they were involved in commercial trade of marijuana, which is about 10 kgs of quantity, then the punishment can go up to 10 years. So there is a difference between small quantity and commercial quantity clearly mentioned in the NDPS Act. So we'll have to wait and see at the end when charge sheet is done and what kind of evidences and quantity the NDPS mentions. On that, the conviction can be depending. As far as Sushant Singh Rajput's death case is concerned, only after Riya Chakrabarti is called, she's summoned and the questions are posed, we will know whether how links to Sushant are coming out in the entire investigation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.